Happy Monday everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some good opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both QQQ and SPY gapping up, was on a downtrend. But right now, looks like the trend is reversing. Nvidia and Tesla also following a similar trend. But Nvidia right now, trading below Friday's closing price. I think today the markets may give us an initial pop and then fade throughout the day. Right now, I don't have any setups. But I'll wait until open to see how the markets react and then define my trades based off that. We do have around 1 minute to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, waiting for volume to come in. Markets are staying strong. 409.52, current pre-market high. I think that would be a strong resistance. So let's see how that level comes into play. Around 20 seconds for this candle to close. SPY just gave back the move it made. Not looking good. Getting it at 370. And stop would be low of this candle. Selling 2. I'm just holding 2 contracts. Selling. That was a good trade with a set risk. I played it. A good start to the week. SPY may have hit some resistance. This is the level I got from the daily. So if you look at the daily, there is some level of resistance over here. So SPY may give us a pullback. Did not come to my level, so could not add. Now it would be like chasing. I think it's going to take off again. But if it fails, then the option premium could dip very quickly. That's why now it would be much more riskier. $720 I got in. I think this time it may break, make a new high. It's not breaking out. Next tag would be around here. Anticipating an EMA bounce. Selling 4, now just holding 4. Yep, out. Was a risky trade. I think I'll be done for the day because I had enough of stress for today. I added at 720 and 640, got out at 710 and 720. Almost 45 minutes into the day, making $400. I'll take it. That being said, I'll call it a day. A decent day of trading, making over $400 in 45 minutes. With no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.